Hi dear friends, today I will show you one opinion essay, and in this essay many students got lower score because they ignored one important word or even word expression. And that's why in this essay I will try to help you how to not to write out of topic or how not to forget to mention some important points in any writing task too. This essay is agree-disagree essay. It's an opinion essay and it was given to students in February. It was quite difficult topic. It was a quite common topic for many students because the thing that was discussed there was discussed many times. But there was added one point that in no way should be ignored. Let's read the topic and try to understand what's the point there that was ignored. Too much money is wasted on repairing old buildings that should be used to knock them down and build new ones. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, here we have 2 points. We should discuss whether buildings should be kept, preserved or maintained, and whether they should be knocked down. But we shouldn't forget about money aspect, whether money should be spent on their preservation or their knocking down. And we should prove our answer with money. It's very important. If you ignore money point here, you can get lower score. In some other sources, the topic was given in a different way. It was given like this: too much money has been spent on preserving old buildings, while some people say that it's better to knock them down and build new ones. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, let's read its introduction and understand what this candidate is going to support. Many countries around the world spend a large amount of money in order to restore historical buildings. Very good paraphrase. Although repairing old buildings might lead to the loss of finance to some extent, I'm of the opinion that, by and large, maintaining historical constructions is extremely important. Okay, he's going to support the preservation and maintaining historical buildings. Let's read the first body. Admittedly, in some places and situations, renovation of historical buildings might be costly for governments. In fact, a majority of those buildings are prone to corrosion, which prevents them from remaining in good condition in the long term. For example, despite the continuous repairing programs, many historical buildings were severely damaged after the earthquake in Istanbul in 1996. As a consequence, the City Council decided to cut down governmental expenditure to the restoration of old buildings that might be vulnerable to natural disasters. It was the first paragraph where he, to some extent, agrees that preserving old buildings might be very costly, and sometimes natural disasters could be so damaging that they can destroy these buildings, and spending money can be just a waste of money. So this was his first body paragraph. So let's read the second body paragraph where he is going to support the preservation, the maintenance of old buildings. However, in general, I assume that preserving old buildings is a crucial step towards the protection of historical legacy of any country. To be precise, old constructions depict cultural heritage of nations that has to be passed to the future generations. A clear example is UNESCO, which allocates millions of dollars in order to save various architectural buildings across the globe. As a result, many historical buildings have preserved their original nature up until today. Furthermore, it must be in the public interest to protect old buildings since they attract a large number of tourists. For instance, due to the rich historical background, Italy is a favorite destination for many foreigners. Thanks to the existence of historical constructions, the country earns billions of dollars from tourism sector, which in turn totally justifies spending money on preserving their cultural and historical heritage. So, in this paragraph, he is going to support his view that maintaining buildings is very important. And of course, he stresses the point about money because it's very important. The topic was about money, and you should support your idea why preserving these buildings can be beneficial from a material point of view. Of course, it's beneficial because it attracts many tourists, and tourists come to this country, they pay money to see these historical buildings, and Italy is a clear example of this. Now let's go to conclusion, let's read it and understand how he paraphrased and restated his opinion again. In conclusion, even though in some cases conservation of the built heritage might result in the loss of money, I mostly agree that governments should protect historical constructions since they represent cultural identity of society and attract a large number of tourists, thus justifies spending money. You see, in conclusion, he covered all his ideas, restated his opinion, and of course he didn't forget about money aspect. It's very important. If you forget this aspect, you can get lower score. So what you should do while preparing yourself to write writing task 2? You should be very careful. You should read the topic twice, 3 times, 4 times, maybe even 5 times. You should underline each word because each word can change the meaning of the topic. It's very important. If you want to get 7 plus, you should cover task response totally. I wish you good luck in this difficult path, and I hope that my videos can help you to improve your writing, reading, listening, and speaking. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment section. Thank you. See you soon.